Thank you for your interest in Burndy products and our series of instructional videos on proper installation techniques. Burndy connectors are designed to exceed industry standards and provide trouble-free service for the intended life of the application. Long-term performance of any electrical connector begins with selecting the right connector for the application and installing it using proper techniques. In this video, we will show you how to install a utility bolted wedge splice. Prior to installing any connector, a few steps must be taken. First, verify the line is safely rigged according to your utility's proper methods and safety procedures. Second, confirm you have the necessary connector and tool. A Burndy connector will display the Burndy name or logo, the connector catalog number, and the conductors it accommodates. For this installation, we will install a Burndy BWS 25 RLS on 1/0 ACSR. To begin the installation, straighten the conductor that will be inserted into the connector. Doing this will accomplish two things. One, it will make inserting the conductor easier, and two, it will reduce likelihood of binding in the jaws. Insert the conductor into one side of the splice by simply pushing the wire against the jaws until the jaws bottom out. Inspect the wire is inserted fully by visually looking at the inspection window on the jaws. If you can see through the window, then repeat the last step. After confirmation, insert the conductor in the other side of the splice and verify proper installation. After confirmation, tug both wires to partially set the jaws. If needed, line sag can be checked at this point by putting tension in the line. If line sag needs to be adjusted, remove tension on the connector. Choose one side of the connector and loosen the jaws by pulling back on the sag fingers. Pull out the wire and measure. Then, cut the wire accordingly. Reinsert the wire and confirm proper insertion, and tug. Next, using a 3/4 wrench, tighten the bolt until it shears off. Finally, remove the rigging and the connection is complete. Your air splice connector can be easily removed. First, verify the line is safely rigged according to your utility's proper methods and safety procedures. Using a 9/16 wrench, loosen the bolt until it bottoms out. Using the sag fingers, pull back on the jaws and remove the wire from both sides. A hammer will be needed to tap the fingers if the connector has been in service for an extended period of time. For written installation instructions or more information about your splice, please visit burndy.com. Thank you.